set to chair a review meeting on the implementation of the 3 new criminal laws with the National Crime Records Bureau in Delhi. The meeting reviewed the implementation of the integration of the Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and System, National Automated Fingerprint Identification System, prisons, courts, prosecution and forensics with ICJS 2.0 at all India levels. Union Home Secretary, Director NCRB and several senior officials of the Ministry of Home Affairs, NCRB and NIC were all present for this meeting. Harsha, I want to come back to you for further details on the same. Over to you.
So yes, Suesha, this meeting was convened by Union Home Secretary, and the meeting was attended by several officials of the Home Ministry and by NCRB, NCFIS and also NIC officials. This meeting is very important if we keep in mind the 3 criminal laws which was passed in the Parliament during the last session, and after that till now we have seen wherever the cases are being registered, it's being registered under the sections of BNS, which is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sahayata, the new criminal law which has been implemented. But now the Union Home Secretary also have expressed that the NCRB should have the data according to the BNS, according to the 3 criminal laws, and also the forensics, prisons, court, fingerprints, everything has to be followed under the guidelines of the 3 criminal laws, and that is the reason why this important meeting was convened. The meeting went on for 1.5 hours, and we are getting to know that from now onwards every section and whatever the case has been registered, and all the 3 criminal laws, the sections which are made into that, the all data will be compiled with the NCRB and with the NIC as well. From tomorrow only the work on this guideline will start, and that is the reason why this meeting was convened. As we very well know, Suesha, how government have been at the foremost interest that under the 3 criminal laws only, now any sections will be registered wherever the crime is happening. The work has already started because in several states we have seen now whatever the crimes are happening, the BNS sections are being followed. Now the entire data will be compiled so that the cases which will go in court as well, the fingerprints, the prison rules also follows the 3 criminal laws. Back to you.
Continue talking to us, Harsha, on the very same, given the fact that there was a lot spoken, especially across political circles, regarding the new laws and the new criminal system. With this review meeting that has happened, will more follow, given the fact that the system is still being put in place?
Yes, that was the talk in political corridor since long when the law was passed in Parliament, and it was the main issue also of the political parties, that how it will be widely followed, because we have seen the pending cases in court. We have seen how there are several small districts who have still not gotten through the new BNS sections, but recently we have seen most of the high profile cases, be it the Pooja Ketkar case or the Allu Arjun case or the crimes in UP, the Sambhal and the stampede which has taken place. Everywhere the BNS sections are being applied, and several political parties were also concerned about it, and that is the reason why this meeting was called, so that the smallest of village and the smallest of district should be aware of the 3 criminal laws, and the police official should be given a thorough training that how these 3 criminal laws will make an impact and also make a change also for the cases which are being registered. These are not the older sections, these are the new sections under which there are the stringent action against the culprit who are involved in severe crime. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, do stay on, because we're also picking up how Union Home Minister Amit Shah suggested certain implementations, like he said that alerts should be generated for all the criminal cases at predefined stages and timelines, right from registration to disposal of the case, to benefit victims and complainants. Harsha, I want to come back to you on the same as we flash those details on our screens on how these changes will benefit both complainants and victims.
The Swesha, the BNS sections will certainly benefit the complainant and victim as well. See, for an example, the drunken driving case. In that case, mostly the victim suffered and the people who were the main culprit would get out of the crime majorly after getting bail very easily. But now it will not happen in this section. While in the speed driving as well, the people who run after crashing into any other vehicle, they used to run, majorly the transporters. Now for them also the BNS sections are very stringent. Now they will be registered into the severe crime. The bail term they cannot get easily. There's almost 7 years jail term for them. So we can clearly see that how stringent these new BNS laws are, and therefore the crime rate will gradually decline, and that is the reason why awareness is also being created about this BNS and the 3 criminal laws. This is what HM also stated in the parliament and outside the parliament as well, and therefore Union Home Ministry wants that Delhi Police, the NCRB, the NIC and also the NSFIS should have a thorough detail about these 3 criminal laws, which should be mentioned in detail on their website and whenever they train the police officials with it. Back to you.
All right, Harsha, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, we continue to track all the developments very closely as we move on to other news.